Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 140. If we start with this column, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got a 6 here, so 8, 6. For this column, we're missing 2, 4, and 9. We've got a 9 covering here and a 9 covering here, so our 9 must be here, but I don't see any other help. So 2, 4, 2, 4. For this box, we're missing 1, 3, and 9. We've got 1 and 3 here, so this is our 9. But I don't see any other help. So 1, 3, 1, 3. For this box, we're missing 2, 4, and 5. We've got the 2 here, so 4, 5. 4 here, so 2, 5. For this column, we're missing 1, 6, and 9. We've got a 1 and 9 here, so this is our 6. 9 here, so 1, 9. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 6. We've got a 3 here, so 6, 3. For this row now, we're missing 4, 5, and 7. We've got 4 and 7 here, so this is our 5. That 5 makes this our 4, 7. That 4 makes this our 2, 4. And that 2 makes this our 5. For this row, we're missing 4 and 6, and I don't see any help. So 4, 6, 4, 6. For this bottom row, we're missing 1, 2, and 3. We've got 1 and 2 here, so this is our 3. 1 here, so 2, 1. For this column now, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 6, 8. For this row now, we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 2 here, so 5, 2. For this row, we're missing 1, 3, and 4. We've got a 3 here and a 4 here, so this is our 1. That makes this our 3, 4. And that 3 makes this our 1. That 4 makes this our 6, 4. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 3, 9. For this column now, we're just missing a 3. For this box, we're missing 4 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 4, 8. For this box now, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 6, 8. For this box, we're missing 2, 6, and 8. We've got 6 and 8 here, so this is our 2. 8 here, so 6, 8. For this row now, we're missing 1 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 1, 6. For this row, we're missing 2 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 2, 9. And to finish out this box, we're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 5 and 7. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.